And special thanks to our friends over at Dream Pairs who were nice enough to send us this pair of shoes. We have the Oppointed-Lacey in size 8 in black. And a little look around the box. About it. Let's open them up. And nice. Got a little thank you for shopping with us thing here. And oh wow. Okay. Paper. And so here are the shoes. They're nicely wrapped in these Dream Pair covers here. And this is shoe number 1. Like the little strap back here. Dream Pairs size 8 there. Little sticker on the inside. Very nice filling quality shoe though. Love the velour-like filling. And then there's one more also in the branded bag. That is the unboxing of these shoes. Now I'm gonna have my wife put these on so that we can show you exactly what they would look like on you. Let's do that now. All right, so these are the little black shoes. I love these. They look super fancy. Something you'd wear to like a nice restaurant. And they of course look phenomenal on you.
Thank you.
Thanks again to Dream Pairs for sending these to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.